Okay, so we need to take off this backing. Don't need don't need that. And you can see the holes are right there. Do this very carefully. I'm not a super steady hand guy here. That's why I'm dev advocate and not a surgeon like people ask me to be, and which is probably fortunate for all those people. And fortunate for you, you get to see me do this fun tech stuff instead of probably doing a adequate at best job of putting people together. Oh, here we go. We got at least this guy's together. You can see here that popped through. We got everything looking good there. That is actually a really cool way to do that. Now we gotta add this power here. So we gotta take off this little guy here. Pretty easy because this guy is gonna come in here and power this little fan up. As you can see, they made this so even a fourth grader could do it. Probably should have had my daughter do it, but she made art for me this week, so that was all we're getting for Father's Day this year. So next year, maybe I'll have her put together our components. We got that on the right side. Make sure we line those up. That's the hardest part. I probably should have used tweezers, or maybe should have left that light on. So it's harder than it looks. Oh, there we go. I like that sound. We get another clip in. That all clipped in. Nothing to see here, nothing happened here. Didn't just drop that on the printer. Sure the printer like that. Okay. So we got that on. Good news. I don't know if I need to keep that, but I'm going to keep that anyway. Put that in a little active cooler box. Put that in a pile with all the other Raspberry Pi boxes that I have that probably don't need anything. Okay, that looks good. Things looking nice here. Next one we're going to do is the M2 hat for the AI. Probably going to need our little screwdriver, so we'll do that.